Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to cancel a pass in efootball. So if you want to cancel your game pass with your subscription on your efootball, here's a simple guide on how you can do that. And this actually depends on the type of platform that you're using. Maybe you're an Android user or an iPhone user, which is iOS. So let's get started with the Android user. So for you to be able to cancel your game pass, you have to open your Android, then you have to open your Google Play Store, then head over to tap your profile icon, which is at the top right corner. Then after that, you have to select the payment and subscription. Then over there, click on subscription. Then after that, find the efootball and tap on it. Then tap on cancel subscription and confirm it. Then if you're on iPhone, iPad, you can open your Apple Store, then open the settings, then tap on the Apple ID, which is your name at the top. Then from there, select subscription, then find efootball and tap on it, then tap on cancel subscription and confirm it. And that's how you can simply cancel your pass in efootball. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.